Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So basically in this device we've got only two codes which are working and which one we can enter and use. So let me show them to you. Let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter the codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So that was the first code. You can use this code whenever you need to have fast access to this to those information. So another code, and at the same the last code for this video, is the *##426###. And basically this code will show us the diagnostic information, diagnostic mode. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. After tapping on the three dots again in the right upper corner, we can also show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.